Hey guys, I just picked up a Kato SD40-2 in Burlington Northern. I thought it was a very handsome looking model. The difference between my standard SD40, it is much more different in person than I could check with photos and comparisons between my existing SD40, being that the length, I thought it was just going to be a front deck difference, but no, it kind of looks a little bit more limo stretched than my standard SD40. And I needed some more color variety in my my livery, my hanger, or whatever you want to call it. So this is definitely very pretty. I have it matched up here with a few pieces of BN rolling stock, and I don't know, there's not much I can say about this. I mean, it's a Kato. The running is flawless and smooth. So let's just show her, go around you round a little bit. And I also picked up 3 Intermountain Western Fruit Express cars. I only have 2 on there because I have a unusual issue with this one. The couplers, they look micro-trainish. I'm not exactly sure what they are. But on this one, the outside blade here on both ends seems to have a sprung issue to where they won't completely close and mate up to my other couplers, so I have to figure out some sort of resolution to that. The other ones are just fine. These two, no problem. But I tried all different combinations of end to ends and all that, and both ends of this particular car have the same issue. So they're these Intermountains. I haven't put the number boards on the locomotive yet. Let me pick up my smartphone controller here. Speed it up. Go to full throttle. Ballistically smooth as usual. Slow it down. Show you the tie by tie. How slow we can go. There you go. That's about the slowest. Speed up a little bit. Slowest reliable speed, which is really good. So let's stop it, put it in reverse, and you'll see the number board areas light up, which I still need to insert those. Yeah, very handsome, very beautiful. Love the decks on that thing. Okay, I hope everyone has a great rest of the week here. The weekend is coming soon, and I will probably catch up with you around that time. Take it easy.